Join me for a matinee as I see the new Goosebumps musical. We all know Goosebumps. I love Goosebumps. I was a 90s kid. I loved the books growing up. And this summer at BroadwayCon, I had the pleasure of meeting a good portion of the creative team of the new Goosebumps musical, which I didn't know was a thing. So that was super exciting. They actually already have a full concept cast recording out starring the likes of Alex Brightman, Cheryl Lee Ralph. You can stream it. It's absolutely amazing. Highly recommend checking that out. So I was very excited to learn that one of the first productions of the show was being performed in Chicago at DePaul University. I'm always impressed by how beautiful the Merle Reskin Theater is. If you ever get a chance to go down there, definitely do some exploring. It's a beautiful piece of Chicago history. I would have killed to perform there as an undergrad, so don't take that for granted, DePaul students. I know you don't. Speaking of DePaul students, wow, was this cast great. The show is so much fun. It's like Scooby-Doo meets Phantom of the Opera, retains the original energy of Goosebumps, and just a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to seeing the next evolution of the show. Good luck to this cast. And my goodness, there was a soprano in that ensemble who was killing it. Everyone was amazing, though. Break legs out in the real world, and look for Goosebumps.